Right? I'm sinking. I want to swim. Sinking. You can see. It's dirty and it's sinking. I wish to swim. Yeah. I hope you like the place. It's beautiful. The water is so cold. It's cold as well and dirty as well. It's cold and dirty. Okay? So yeah, that's it. Let's go. I love this. Let's go. then or back. Okay, let's see. I'm scared. I'm the only one here, I'm scared. If when this happens, he's gonna rescue me. I'm scared. Should I be scared? Oh, I don't trust myself that much that I know how to swim. I know how to swim a little bit. So. Whew. See, and I'm see, I'm going down there a little bit. Let me go further a bit, then I'll swim back again. Yeah. I'm trying to do backstroke. I did backstroke, right? I have to do that. Let's see. Let me do backstroke, okay? I'll backstroke to that place. The other side. See? You see that? Okay, let's go. See, I backstroke to that place and backstroke back again. Come on. Come on. Life is good, bro. Enjoy yourself and be happy. It's kind of tough for me right now. I'm telling you. Life is kind of tough right now. I'm going through a lot right now. But I still have reasons to be happy, okay? Because being bothered, worried, it's not going to change it. Me be happy and stoic, that is what is going to help me right now, okay? So, be happy wherever you are, with whatever you have, no matter the situation. Try your best and be happy. Don't give up on yourself. Okay? Oh, shit. You like the view? Come on. Join me. Let's swim together. Okay? I want to go inside the water, immerse my body fully into the water, then I'll go out and come out there. Okay? So let's go. Can you see me? I didn't see me when I go like this. I don't know. Maybe the place is not that deep. After I go down, after I've gone down a little bit, than that, okay? If you see me where I was going, it's not deep, so that's why I couldn't go down that much. Okay? So it's tough, okay? Business is not going well, you know. The country I stay right now, economy is so hard right now, okay? To survive here now is kind of difficult for we here. But we thank God for peace and security, the particular part of the country that I live. So, should have reason to be happy, have good health. Okay? So, eat well. You might not have a lot of money, you might not have access to better place to stay, but your health, your well-being, your health, mental health, emotional health, your overall health is in your own hands. Okay? Nobody is going to do that for you. I'll be complaining about the government. They are not coming to save you in that particular aspect. Okay? So, taking care of my body, I work out on a daily basis. I don't eat junk food because I don't have money now. So I shouldn't be doing things that will make me sick, right? So I'm trying my best to stay healthy, okay? Mentally, emotionally, biologically, try my best to be healthy than before so that I don't have any cause to be visiting hospitals, seeing doctors, okay? Because I don't even have the money, so that's just it, right? It's been a while. So my wound just got healed like last week. So that's why I can swim. Throughout last week, couldn't inside water because I was having a fresh wound. So I have to stay out of it so that it will heal very fast. So I have to stay away from the water. Okay? So I can all type of swimming do we have like style. I can backstroke, chest stroke, whatever it is. What is it called? Okay, let me do this. Something like this. See that? I can do that as well. So, which other one? I've done backstroke, chest stroke. Which other one again? Those are the only ones that I need to do. Let me do this one. Most of my hand outside. Okay, my leg will not be outside. Just only my head will be outside. Okay. With this, we're gonna make less noise while swimming. Okay? Whew. Man, swimming is a big exercise, bro. I'm so exhausted right now, okay? Yeah. Thank you. I hope you're happy right? I'm happy. You should be happy, right? I love you. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Remain happy and be strong and wise and smart. Stay away from problem, okay? Stay from stuff that could cause you pain. Okay, bye bye.